Hi everyone. In 10th video of our ethic term series, which has been shown a lots of love by all of you, let's see a very important term, accountability. This term is not only very important for ethics, but it is equally important for governance. And the examples, quotations, which we will see will be equally applicable in both GS2 as well as GS4. So let's start. First of all, what does accountability means? Accountability means being responsible for one's action and being answerable for the outcomes, whether the outcome is positive or negative. If you are heading a cricket team and if your team loses the match, you have to come forward and take responsibility for your action as well as for the decisions that you took during the match. What it ensures, the importance of accountability is that it ensures both transparency as well as ownership in decision making process. It is majorly of two types. The first is horizontal accountability. The second type is vertical accountability. If there is any question with respect to accountability, you will make a small diagram by showing that accountability is of two types. Horizontal means between different organs of government: executive, legislative, and judiciary. That is having a checks and balances between three organs of the government. Vertical is between government and citizen. And how a vertical accountability is ensured? Through RTI, Right to Information Act, or Citizen Charter, to ensure the government is accountable to take action for the benefit of people, or to ensure that the rights enshrined through laws and constitutions are provided to the citizen. What is the quotation for today? The quotation for today is: accountability is the glue that ties commitment to the result. Government through budget commits that we will ensure this much of infrastructure, we will ensure that we will have good education, good health. But on ground, those implementation could not be observed because there is a lack of accountability. If there will be accountability, then the commitment showed by the government during the budget will be also observed on the ground. The quotation, the beautiful quotation, has been given by Bob Proctor. Let's see the example. One of the finest example of ensuring accountability was Vikram Sarabhai accepted failure of ISRO first mission without putting it on mission head Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. This is a fine example of showing also leadership, because accountability is one of the main ingredient of a good leader. Secondly, at international relation level, as international relation has been specifically mentioned in ethics syllabus, so we should have certain example for them as well. UNHRC holds countries accountable for violation of human rights. Recently, Sri Lanka was held accountable for the same. Okay. Now let's see the example of how this quotation or whatever we have read can be applied in 2024 paper. There was a question. Question was about Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, that how it ensures justice, equality, and impartiality based on Indian culture and ethos. Discuss this in the light of major shift from a doctrine of punishment to justice in the present judicial system. So in this question, how will I write a conclusion? Conclusion will be: accountability is the glue that will tie commitments of Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita to the results. This will be a very good conclusion, because without ensuring accountability of the various levels of government or various authorities, all the things which are mentioned in Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita will never bear the desired outcome. So it is very important that accountability is ensured so that all the provisions are implemented in letter and spirit on the ground. So this beautiful quotation can be used in n number of ways and can ensure 1 marks extra in your paper. Thank you very much. Take care. Best wishes.